The air is crisp, a gentle breeze. It whispers secrets through the trees. Hand in hand we start to roam to where the color branches come into a world of vibrant hues, where nature's beauty can refuse. On gold, a story that will soon be told. Walking on the sea of leaves, together you and me. Time begins to slow, worries fade away in this beautiful sunlit day. With you beside me, I feel so blessed. Nature's comfort puts our hearts at rest.